Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add motion blur effect to your videos using Clipchamp. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Clipchamp app on your home screen. Now open it. Now choose one video that you want to edit. Next, to add the motion blur effect, tap onto the edit button right here. Here you can find the option of effects. Simply tap on it. Now scroll through the effects and find the effect which is blur right here. Now tap on it and the blur effect will be added to your video. Tap onto the check mark button right here. Finally, here you can find the blur effect has been added to your videos very easily. And that's it. This is how you can add the motion blur effect using the Clipchamp app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.